Salvajor's Hydrologic series control boards must be configured to work properly with your system. In this video, we will illustrate how to reset and configure a Hydrologic control board. First, turn the line disconnect to the off position and remove the 3 screws on the panel door. Next, open the door and locate the configuration switch, which is located on the upper left-hand side of the control board on the back side of the panel door. Move the configuration switch to the right from normal to configure, then close the panel door. Turn the line disconnect to on, which will keep the panel door closed while the front controls are used to make selection. Please note that the screen on the front will read Configuration Menu. Press the minus button under the screen until the screen reads Reset Defaults. Press the on-off button. The screen will read Reset Defaults Cancel. Press the plus button once. The screen will then read Reset Defaults Reset. Press the on-off button to select. The screen will read Configuration Reset Defaults. The board has now been reset. Now it is time to configure the board. Press the plus button located under the screen until the screen reads Device Selection. Then press the on-off button. Now press the plus or minus buttons until the type of device being configured is displayed on the screen. With the appropriate system displayed, press the on-off button to save and exit device selection. Turn the line disconnect to the off position and open the panel door so the configuration switch can be moved back to the normal position. Close the panel door. Turn the line disconnect to the on position and reinsert the 3 screws. You're now ready to use your Hydrologic control board with your system. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.